That musty smell from your floor isn't just an annoyance. It's a silent alarm that your home's foundation is under attack. The culprit is a damp, forgotten space right beneath your feet. But what if the solution wasn't just about stopping the damp, but about future-proofing your entire home? Your crawl space is the lungs of your house. In this video, I'm cutting through all that confusion. I will break down the top 4 best crawl space dehumidifiers on the market today, revealing which one is the powerhouse for massive spaces, which one offers the best smart features, and which one is the ultimate set and forget guardian for your home. Stay tuned to find out which machine will turn your crawl space from a liability into an asset. 4. ALORAIR Commercial Crawl Space Dehumidifier. Think of this brand as the seasoned, reliable workhorse. These are the units that restoration professionals and contractors trust when they need a job done right with no excuses. They're built less like home appliances and more like essential pieces of industrial equipment. The popular Sentinel HDI 90 model, for example, is a beast. It's rated to remove 90 pints per day at AHAM conditions, making it powerful enough to manage humidity in crawl spaces up to 2,600 square feet. Its body is made of corrosion-resistant metal designed to withstand the damp, punishing environment for years. What sets the ALORAIR units apart is their focus on robust, long-term operation. Many models come equipped with an internal heavy-duty condensate pump that can push water vertically up to 15 feet. This gives you incredible flexibility for installation, allowing you to run the drain line up and out of a vent rather than relying on gravity alone. They also feature hot gas valve defrosting, which is a far more efficient and rapid defrosting system than what you'll find on cheaper models, ensuring it keeps working even when the temperature drops. Backed by a 5-year warranty, ALORAIR is making a statement. They believe in their product's durability. The downside? They can be a bit louder and are often priced at a premium. But if you're looking for a professional-grade, no-nonsense machine that will likely outlast the pipes it's protecting, the ALORAIR is a formidable choice. 3. Waykar Crawl Space Dehumidifier. Let me be clear, this thing is an absolute monster. That 296 ppd rating is at saturation, but even its estimated AHAM rating is likely north of 150 pints. This isn't for your average 1,500 square foot crawl space. This is for tackling extreme humidity in spaces up to 8,000 square feet. Imagine a sprawling commercial basement after a minor flood, or a cavernous, poorly sealed crawl space in an exceptionally humid climate. That's where the Waykar shines. It's built like a tank, with a rigid metal casing and large semi-pneumatic wheels, making it surprisingly easy to move for its size. It features a simple, intuitive digital control panel where you can set your desired humidity, and it takes care of the rest. Auto restart after a power outage, auto defrost, and a 16-foot drain hose for continuous drainage are all standard. You essentially wheel it into the apocalypse, plug it in, and it will create a desert. The trade-off for this immense power is, predictably, noise and energy consumption. This is not a quiet machine, but when your primary goal is to remove a biblical amount of moisture from the air, we're talking over 35 gallons a day at saturation, a little noise is a small price to pay. For the most extreme humidity challenges in the largest of spaces, the Waykar is in a league of its own. See the staggering specs for yourself via the link below. Number 2. Abestorm Crawl Space Dehumidifier. My runner-up at number 2 is the Abestorm series, which I like to call the Smart Guardian. Abestorm masterfully blends robust performance with the modern, convenient features we expect in 2025. They've found the sweet spot between raw power and intelligent design. Models like the Guardian SN55 or the more powerful SNS 120 offer excellent moisture removal, 55 and 120 ppd at AHAM respectively. But their real selling point is the user experience. Many Abestorm units come with an optional remote control that has its own screen, so you can monitor and control the unit from your living room without ever having to crawl under the house. The design is also incredibly practical. They are often more compact and feature a stackable design, which is a lifesaver in tight or cluttered crawl spaces where floor space is at a premium. Installation is a breeze with clear instructions and included drain hoses. They also pay attention to air quality, incorporating a MERV 8 filter to capture airborne particles alongside the moisture. Think of the Abestorm as the silent protector. You set it up, they be connected to the optional remote, and you gain peace of mind in a box. It's powerful enough for serious moisture problems, but smart and compact enough to make living with it completely effortless. If you want a modern, efficient unit that you can truly set and forget, the Abestorm lineup is a top contender. The links are waiting for you in the description.
1. BaseAire AirWerx series. And now my top pick. The best crawl space dehumidifier you can buy today is the BaseAire AirWerx series. This isn't just a dehumidifier, it's a long-term investment in your home's health and your wallet. We're calling it the gold standard for one critical reason, the Energy Star rating. Let's talk about the AirWerx 90X. It pulls 90 ppd at AHAM, covering up to 2,600 square feet, putting it in the same performance class as the ALORAIR. But it does so with incredible efficiency. An Energy Star certified dehumidifier can use 15% less energy than a non-certified model. That might not sound like much, but for a machine that runs 24/7, this translates into significant savings on your electricity bill year after year. BaseAire doesn't skimp on build quality to achieve this. It has the same 5-year warranty as ALORAIR, a durable metal housing, and high-efficiency rotary compressor. It also offers incredible versatility with optional ducting collars. This allows you to place the unit in one area and run a duct to a separate, hard-to-reach section of the crawl space, ensuring the entire foundation is protected. This is the unit you buy when you want to do the job right, once, and not have to worry about your electricity bill skyrocketing. The Energy Star certification isn't just a sticker. It means this machine is meticulously engineered for maximum water removal with minimum power draw. Over its lifetime, the BaseAire can literally pay for itself in energy savings.
Final thought. So, to quickly recap, the ALORAIR is your rugged, professional-grade workhorse. The Waykar is the undisputed champion for massive waterlogged spaces. The Abestorm is the smart, compact, and modern guardian. And the BaseAire AirWerx stands at the top as the most efficient, cost-effective, and all-around best choice for protecting your home. Don't let a hidden problem create a catastrophic expense. Investing in the right crawl space dehumidifier is one of the smartest, most proactive moves you can make as a homeowner.